Okay, this video we will make an introduction for the sanding belt installation after the user newly received the machine. Okay, in order for the safe shipment, we have this fixture for the sanding roller, also for this fixture for the support, for the safe shipment. When the user receives the sanding roller, before he installs the sanding belt, he need to remove the fixture, this fixture, this one, and this one, and this one, and then install the sanding belt. For the sanding belt install, we need make notice for the rotation. Okay, for the sanding belt, the rotation should be same as the mark. Okay, now we will make a introduction how to install the sanding belt. Firstly, we take off this one. Okay, also take this one because this is the showing. We don't take it this part. And then we loosen this support. Okay, now we can insert the sanding belt. Okay. After we insert the sanding belt onto the roller, we can remove the support. Okay, after we lock this one and draw this knob, this for the cylinder. After we pull it out, the cylinder will leave the top roller. Okay,